Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. Today, from your unit number 1, the nature of science, we are going to study about how do scientists collect and record data. So first of all, through their senses. Senses include this touch, taste, smell, or see, hear. Scientists collect information. In science, information is called data. Scientists record data. They can use pictures, numbers, or charts. So first of all, scientists collect information, and this information, in another words, is called data. So despite saying that scientists record information, we can say that scientists collect data. Scientists gather the data. They can use pictures, numbers, or charts. Like in collecting data, they can take pictures, they can write words, sentences, numbers, or they can make charts. So collect and record data. Now how does this works? How do they collect data and how do they record it? You can collect data by asking questions. For example, you find something amazing or you find something you don't know about it. You start asking about it. For example, if you're sitting in a class, you have a question, don't understand, you raise your hand, you ask the question. These are the ways you find your answers, by asking, by clarifying your queries, by clarifying your questions. You can collect data by asking questions. You can record data in a chart. For example, there's a chart in front of you, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. What have you been doing? What are you planning to do? You can record in it. You can write in it. For example, 1 mark in a chart can record one person's answer to a question. Then we have true or false. I want you to solve these true or false on your notebook as well. Scientists observe objects. True. Scientists do observe objects, and after observing, they collect information, they make data, they have a record, they make charts, or everything which I have told you before. Scientists do not work together. False. Scientists do work together. Scientists take each other's help. For example, if one scientist has done something, the other scientist can help him achieve more and more in it, or maybe adding to his information. Scientists ask questions. True. Yes, scientists do ask questions. How do you find an answer to any question or any problem? When you ask about it, definitely. How do scientists observe? Now, how do scientists observe? You have to read and trace. This is from the review page. Scientists use their senses. How do scientists observe? By using their senses. Scientists use tools to observe. They have tools like that magnifying glass we have been studying about, or maybe a ruler for measuring, or maybe a balance for measuring the goods or anything. So basically, scientists, first of all, they use their senses. They see, they listen, they hear, they touch, they taste. Then they have tools from which they help in their measurements, or help in balancing, or help in seeing things clearly. Scientists compare things. Compare means you have an answer, you compare your answer with another scientist. So like comparing two answers, you can get the best one. You can get to the conclusion. You can get to the final answer. Now, how do scientists collect and record data? Read and match. So first of all, scientists collect data. They record data in charts. You have to match these true or false. You have them in front of you. I want you to match them with the correct answer. Then homework. Do activity 2 on page number 12. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.